A lot of content creators don't put out content because of their background. It's either it's looking terrible or they're not just satisfied with their background. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to achieve a professional YouTube studio background completely free using AI and your favorite editing software in 3 easy steps. Step number 1 is shoot your video. And for you to shoot your video, here are things you have to put into consideration. Ensure that you have proper lighting. Lighting is very important for your video. I would even say lighting, video. I would even say video is lighting. You can use your ring light or your preferred LED light or whatever video light you have. But if you don't have any of those, you can just sit opposite a window and make use of the natural light, or better still, shoot outdoors. While shooting your video, ensure you avoid excessive movement, as this can ruin the final result. Another thing to note is ensure you have a stable shot. I advise you use a tripod or place your camera on a platform that will ensure you have a stable shot. And lastly, ensure that your background is plain and doesn't have so much clutter behind it. Step 2 is creating your background. Having shot our video, now it's time to create our background. So in your browser, you head onto canva.com, and then if you already have an account, you log in, and if you don't have an account, you sign up. For me, I have an account already, so I click on login and then continue, and then here is my home page. So what I want to do is, on this page, I click on make an image. This takes me to the Dreamlab page. Dreamlab is a text to image conversion AI. So this is where we are going to be entering our prompt that will generate our YouTube studio background, as you can see here. So I can select an aspect ratio. I am making a background for a YouTube video. So here I select my 16:9. But if I'm making a background for, let's say, TikTok or Instagram, a vertical video, I select this, or my YouTube shorts, I select this. But for this, my video, I'm selecting 16:9. Just make sure that your aspect ratio fits the video you're about to change the background of. For this tutorial, we're going to be entering our prompt from scratch. I'm going to be dropping the prompt I used in the description below. Now we've entered our prompt and our backgrounds have been generated. So what you do next is you click on this button to download your background or anyone you like. Now that we've successfully completed steps 1, which is shooting our video, and step 2, which is generating our background, next is step 3, which is editing. And in this step, we're going to be using the content creator favorite editing software, CapCut. But before we continue, if you find this tutorial helpful, kindly subscribe, like, and share. So here we are on CapCut. What we're going to be doing next is we're going to be importing our video and our background. So here's the background video. So this is the video I shot in point of our video. I shot it against a plain background, and then the background we generated using our Dreamlab AI on Canva. So here it is. So what I'll be doing from here is we'll import our background first because it's going to be behind our video, and then we drag our video on top the background. I'm just going to extend it a bit, just something like this. So as you can see, my video is already looking a lot of content. As you can see, my video is looking polished and well color graded. So actually what I did was I color graded my footage using DaVinci Resolve. So if you want me to do a tutorial on how I color grade my videos, kindly write in the comment section color grade tutorial. Now we have our nice looking video and our background. So what we want to do is we want to get rid of this plain background so that our AI generated background can come through. So I'm just going to click on the video and then click on remove BG and then custom removal. Yeah, you can use auto removal, but the result is not as good as when you do custom removal. And this is actually free. You don't need to have CapCut Pro to do this. So then next you click on your smart brush, and then what you just need to do is you just paint over, you drag and paint over the background you want to remove. Just paint over it and then wait for it. Voila, you see our background has been removed. You can see all this whole place is actually transparent. Then you click on apply, but you see it's actually me instead. So what I'll just do, I'll just click on this reverse, and now you see we have our background showing through. Also notice that around my head there is this residue. So what we're going to do is we'll click on this expand slider till this white disappears. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to work on our background to make it even more realistic. We want to get rid of this thing and then want to make the proportions lifelike. So we just click on it and then we scale it up to make it as realistic as possible, like you will have it in real life. You just play around with it. Play around with it. Just realistic as possible. Yes, I'm satisfied with this result. So next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be blurring our background to give it that illusion of depth. So we click on effects and then we click on blur. So we drag our blur onto our background. You can see the blur is actually too much and very unrealistic, so we'll just adjust it till it looks believable. To further enhance the look of our video, we'll go to the filters tab and then just look for a filter that balances out everything. So for this, I'm going to be looking for clear. I'll just drag it on my video and just stretch it throughout. This actually greatly improves the look of the video. So when you're done, you click on export. You put off your watermark and then you click on export. And there we have it. If you found this video valuable, kindly subscribe. Click on the bell notification icon to receive more videos like this weekly, and kindly share so other creators can benefit. Until next time, be good.